Hi students, I am Dr. Krishna and I am specialized in the subject Agadatantra. So we all know that Agadatantra is a clinical subject and it is included in the third year syllabus. And Agadatantra we have to deal with only a single paper for the examination and that paper contains part A and part B. So what all things are dealing in this part A and part B that we have to know. So the subjects that is coming under Agadatantra includes Agadatantra, Vyavahara Ayurveda and Vidhi Vaidyaga. Agadatantra corresponds to toxicology, Vyavahara Ayurveda corresponds to forensic medicine and Vidhi Vaidyaga it corresponds to medical jurisprudence. In this session, we can deal with what is Agadatantra. Before going deep into the subject, we should always get a peripheral and a well-based knowledge regarding the subject. That is what we are going to do in this class. So, the first word is the Agadatantra. First of all, we should know what this word itself means. Agadatantra is a combination of two words, that is Agada and Tantra. What do you mean by this Agada? It is again a combination of A plus Gada. So, we have to know that what is Gada. Gada means Roga, Pida or Visha. Gada means Roga, Pida or Visha. Roga means a disease, Pida means a discomfort and Visha means poison. So Gada means Roga, Pida or Visha. So naturally what this Agada means, that is relief from Roga, Pida and Visha. Anything which gives a relief from Roga, Pida or Visha is known as Agada. That is any medicine or anything, whether it can be a medicine or a non-medicine situation, anything which gives a relief from a disease, discomfort or a poisonous effect is known as the Agada. Okay, so what is Agadatantra? Agadatantra is the science that deals with the toxicology. That is why we consider it as a toxicology. In our session, the Visha term is we are taking from the Gada meaning, that is Visha. So Agada means the medicines which we are giving for the Visha. That medicine, it can be a Dravya, it can be a Dravya, that in the coming sessions we can see. Okay, so I think you have got a knowledge about what is Agadatantra. Okay, in Brihatrayis, this Agadatantra is said by actually Susruta. Charaka has said it as Visha Gera Vairodhika Prashamanam and Vagbada told as Damshtra Chigilsa. So these three things you should keep in mind. That is, Susruta told it as Agadatantra, Vagbada told it as Damshtra Chigilsa, whereas Charaka told as Visha Gera Vairodhika Prashamana. Okay. Next, this Agadatantra is having a definition. Okay, what is the definition? That is Agadatantram Nama Sarpa Kida Mushigadi Visha Dashta Vyanjanartham Vivida Visha Samyoga Upasamanartham Cha. This definition itself gives a clear knowledge of what all things we have to study in future. Understand? If we get a clear idea of the definition of a subject, we can move on to in-depth details of the subject. It will be very easy. Okay, so first we can see that Agadatantra, it is a branch of science that deals with the signs and symptoms and the management of poisoning resulting from snakes, that is Sarpa, Kida, Luda, Mushikadi, Dashta, Vyanjanartham. That means the treatment, signs and symptoms and treatment of the poisons by snake, insects, spiders, rat, and also it includes the rabbit, dogs and all those things, and various other poisons by the inappropriate combination of various poisons. Adana, that is mean the Vividha Visha Samyoga Upashamanartham Cha. So, from the definition itself, we can see that the Agadatantram Nama Sarpa, Kida, Luda, Mushigadi. Adi means so many other types of poisoning are also we are studying in this. That is the lizard, cat, and so many things are there, isn't it? So, that is the Sarpa, Kida, Luda, Mushigadi, Visha, Dashta Visha Vyanjanartham. That is the bite is the included. That is Dashta Visha Vyanjanartham. Vivida Visha Samyoga Upashamanartham Cha. So Vivida Visha Samyoga means that there comes under the artificial poisoning that we are giving it. when we use a cosmetic, we are getting allergy. Because we are combining certain chemicals and we are applying. It is also a type of Visha. That is included in Visha, Vivitha Visha Samyoga Upashanartamcha. Here comes the Gera Visha, Dushi Visha, Viruddha Ahara like concept. So, these are the things that we are dealing in Agadha Tantra. One by one, we can see in detail. Okay. So in Brihatrayis, which all texts contains this Agadha Tantra? Actually, Susrutacharya gave more importance to Agadha Tantra because he has kept aside a sthana separately for Agadha Tantra. That is a Susrutam Kalpasthana, including 8 chapters. There are only 8 chapters in that sthana, and those 8 chapters deals with this Agadha Tantra. In Charaka Samhita, there is only 1 chapter dealt with this Visha, and it is Charakam Chikitsa, 23rd chapter. And in Ashtanga Hridaya, there are 4 chapters. And in Ashtanga Sangraha, there are 9 chapters. These 4 texts you should be familiar with, but you don't have to study in detail in Ashtanga Sangraha and all. Only a little points that I will be telling you. So those things only you have to study. So these are the things that is included. This is a nutshell of Agadha Tantra that we have to study. Understand? Thank you.